Hey friends, if you wish to fix wireless adapter or access point issues in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Click on the network and internet troubleshooter in the right pane. Okay. And the next solution will be to update the network drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Open the device manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the network adapter driver and update the drivers. Okay. And then the last solution will be to update Windows. So right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and install all updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.